Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make half-caste face cream activator. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So for this activator, you will need Fair Beauty serum, which is a triple action serum that whitens the skin, glows the skin, and unifies the skin complexion. You need pimento serum, which contains fruit acids. It whitens the skin and unifies the skin complexion. You need Dodo Skin Good BSC, which contains carrot extract. It helps in fading dark spots, acne scars, dark skin patches, and it unifies the skin complexion. You need Paris serum, which helps in preventing and fading sunburn, bleaching cream reactions, skin rashes, ringworm, skin reactions, and loss more. So I'll be using 2 Dodo Skin Good BSC. I'm now putting 1 pimento serum. Next, I'm putting 2 tablespoons of Paris serum. After which I'm putting 50 ml of Fair Beauty serum. So I'm just mixing it properly to make sure it is smooth. If you're making this in a larger quantity, you want to make use of a hand mixer to make it easier to mix this activator. This activator cannot be used directly on the face, you have to mix it with your face cream base. This is about 200 grams, so you have to mix it with about 300 grams of face cream before using it. And guys, this is only for light skin tone. If you are dark, you'd want to avoid this face cream. You won't want to have a light face with a dark body, thereby looking like Coke and Fanta. So please avoid it if you have dark skin. This activator gives 3 to 4 tones more than your current skin tone depending on your skin type. This half-caste face cream activator is super effective and it works very fast. You can try it out and drop comments on how best it worked for you. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do this, forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next time I upload a new video. That's where you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.